In this video, you will learn how to change your LLC address in Maine, review the Maine requirements, visit the Maine Secretary of State website to understand the full process and forms needed to update your LLC address, obtain the correct forms, download the Statement of Change or Certificate of Amendment form, depending on whether you want to change the principal office or your registered address, complete the form, provide your LLC's legal name, current address, new address and any other details, then ensure all your information is correct to avoid any delays. Prepare the filing fee, check the Maine Secretary of State fee and the current filing fee and prepare the payment. Submit the full form, file the completed form and the payment. This could be by mail or in person in the Maine Secretary of State office. Update other records. After you have approved, notify the IRS, bank, licensing agencies and any other businesses you keep in contact with of your new LLC address. Now you know how to change your LLC address in Maine. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.